Sea Lux welcomes you.
Brilliant.
Okay, let's go.
Today we'll take a look at the Majesty 48. Inside the salon, there's plenty of space for 8 people to relax. Overall, the yacht is perfect for a comfortable experience with up to 14 guests. The flybridge features comfortable sofas where you can sit back and enjoy the view, plus soft seats next to the captain's helm. There's plenty of space at the back for guests to relax and enjoy cool drinks. Now let's move to the front, the perfect spot to soak up the sun. Zakaria chose to celebrate with his wife and 2 children. We arranged a sunset cruise, refreshing drinks, and some delicious sweets. His wife had a special gift for him, and we made sure to meet them in person to hand it over. The season in Dubai is already underway. Let us find the ideal yacht just for you.